So that's a low chance today, and pretty much we'll see the same thing for Monday as well. Check this out. This is Hurricane Erin, a monster storm. It was a Category 5 for a brief period of time yesterday. It is now down to a Category 3, still a formidable storm. Winds 125 miles per hour. It is right now moving to the north, moving north of Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, but those outer bands are lashing them pretty hard. They're expecting about 3 to 6 inches of rain as this storm moves through. So here's the position. It is slowing down in its speed. And that's going to give this storm an opportunity to not only get stronger, but to get bigger. And that's what we're expecting. This is a pretty big storm with wind fields extending outwards of about 200 miles. Now, here's the forecast track. It is expected to strengthen some over the next 24 hours. By the time it makes its closest pass to the U.S., which you can see is well offshore, is likely to be a Category 3 by midweek. Now, I'm showing you this because what this will likely do as this storm is so big and the wind field extends out 200 miles, this will cater to swells and rip currents. So you're going to have to watch that along the East Coast, certainly if you are headed to any of the beaches along the Carolinas or even through Georgia.